Copyright claims are also known as Content ID claims. Content ID is a fully automated digital rights management tool on the YouTube platform that scans videos and notifies the rights holder if their video clips, images, or audio have been used without express permission. Regarding copyright Content ID claims, you should know the following. A claim will not adversely affect your YouTube channel. The rights holder can claim the revenue on your video if you have used their content. The copyright holder can place ads on your video to generate that revenue. The copyright holder can restrict your video in some countries or regions. The copyright holder may also choose to take no action. Copyright claims are a part of copyright law. Copyright claims only apply to the videos flagged and not the entire channel. A claim can be proven false depending upon if you really own the content that is being claimed by someone else. A copyright strike is issued to a creator if they've uploaded something within their video that they do not own the rights to. The copyright holder has the right to remove that video from YouTube altogether, which means it's blocked everywhere and the ability to generate any further ad revenue is shut down. Creators should know the following about copyright strikes on YouTube. A copyright strike will adversely affect your channel. The copyright holder can completely remove your video from YouTube. If you receive a copyright strike, you won't be able to monetize your videos. You also won't be able to live stream from your account. If you receive 3 copyright strikes, your YouTube channel will be terminated and you'll be banned from creating another one. Copyright strikes expire after 3 months.